Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change brake pads Mitsubishi Mirage updated. Start by parking on level ground, engaging parking brake, and loosening lug nuts slightly. Jack the car, secure it on stands, and remove the wheel. Inspect the rotor, caliper, and hardware for wear. Prepare new pads and a brake cleaner, and keep a drip pan beneath to catch brake fluid or debris. Begin by retracting the caliper piston using a C-clamp or piston tool until it is flush with the bore. Unfasten the caliper bolts, then gently pivot the caliper out of the bracket and suspend it so the brake hose is not stressed. Remove the worn pads and any retaining clips or shims, then clean the bracket and sliding surfaces with brake cleaner and a wire brush for a solid fit. Quick recommendation: bring some tunes to the garage with the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear voice control and compact sound when you need company. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content, and check the description for the link and other deals related to tools and parts. It's a small upgrade that makes DIY more fun. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new pads into the bracket, making sure any chamfers or wear indicators face the correct direction. Use high-temperature brake grease at pad contact spots and avoid contaminating friction surfaces. Reposition the caliper over the new pads and torque the mounting bolts to factory specification, then reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to the proper torque.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.